Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are moving into phase 2 of building confidence, everyday conversations. This session focuses on one of the most critical skills you need for fluency, the professional and social introduction. We are not just learning words, we are learning a full framework. By the end of this video, you will have 10 essential English phrases that give you total control over a first time meeting, from the initial handshake to the polite goodbye. This is your primary phrase when you have heard about someone through a third party. It moves beyond a simple hello and establishes respect and anticipation. Use this when the introduction is over. For example, it's nice to finally meet you. I repeat, it's nice to finally meet you. If you were introduced by a shared contact, this is the best way to start. It grounds the conversation in a mutual experience. For example, how do you know Chloe from the marketing team? I repeat, how do you know Chloe from the marketing team? A versatile, non intrusive question. It immediately gives the other person space to share their motivation, whether professional or social. This works in any context, from a coffee shop to a conference. For example, what brings you here today? I repeat, what brings you here today? When someone asks what you do, be specific. Use this phrase to clearly define your role and location within a company or industry. For example, I work in the mobile application testing division at Google. I repeat, I work in the mobile application testing division at Google. A small tip, don't just say I work for Google. Once you have stated your role, you must hand the conversation back. This is the most simplest and most formal way to ask about their career. For example, what do you do for a living? I repeat, what do you do for a living? This is the secret sauce of a good conversation. Acknowledge their job description with positive language. If they say their job is stressful, you could say, that sounds challenging. If it sounds fun, use that sounds interesting. For example, that sounds interesting or challenging. This explores their personal story. Remember to use the word originally to show sensitivity, as they may have lived in your current city for many years. It asked for their heritage, not their current address. For example, where are you originally from? I repeat, where are you originally from? Conversation should move forward, not just look back. Use this phrase to share something positive you are anticipating. It's an easy way to find a common interest outside of work. For example, I'm looking forward to taking a vacation next month. I repeat, I'm looking forward to taking a vacation next month. This is your elegant exit. Instead of saying, I have to leave, which can sound abrupt, you put the focus on the other person by saying, you should let them go. Always end it with the positive affirmation. For example, I should let you go now, but it was great talking to you. I repeat, I should let you go now, but it was great talking to you. This turns a first meeting into a potential relationship. It signals genuine interest and leaves the door open for future interaction. Be sure to suggest a concrete next step if you can. For example, let's definitely connect again soon. I repeat, let's definitely connect again soon. So, there you have it, your full framework for conversation. These 10 phrases will eliminate awkward silences and give you confidence in any first time meeting. I call this the 7-day first meeting challenge. For the next 7 days, every time you meet a new person, you must use at least 5 of these phrases. Pick the ones that feel most natural to you. Commit to it and watch your confidence soar. If this lesson was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more English fluency tips in our Phase 2 series. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.